make any bed more comfortable with this memory foam mattress topper. So this product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and oh my goodness, talk about a bed upgrade. We are actually using this mattress topper for an RV bed, and I'm telling you, best thing ever. This mattress topper is a game changer for upgrading a mattress without having to actually replace your entire mattress. It's comfortable, it's breathable, and it makes it really easy to convert your bed. So we got this queen size topper as we have this queen size bed in our RV, and we put this mattress on it, then we put everything back on it, and it stays exactly where it is supposed to. The topper is medium firmness, but since it's made of memory foam, it kind of molds around your body. As you can see here, when we push down into it, it molds around and then bounces right back. It also has cooling gel in it, which helps increase airflow, and after we tested this, I will say we didn't overheat due to the topper, which was one of our biggest concerns. These are not only great for upgrading a home mattress, but like I said, they're awesome for RV beds as well. If you've ever slept on an RV bed, you know they suck. These things make RV beds amazing, and because it's foam, you can always trim it to fit your bed, as some RVs have short queens instead of a standard size queen. But this fit our RV bed perfectly. If you're looking for an upgrade to your mattress, this is a great option. We recommend this.